The short-tailed drongo, Dicrurus striatus, is an endemic bird species found only in the Philippines, making it a special part of the country's natural heritage. Slightly smaller and more compact than other drongos, it measures around 23 to 25 centimeters in length. Its short, squared-off tail sets it apart from its longer-tailed relatives. Despite its modest appearance, it shares the same striking black, sometimes slightly bluish plumage that gives drongos their sleek look. It is typically found in forested areas, including both primary and secondary growth, often up to mid-elevation levels in the mountains. Though not as aggressive or showy as the hair-crested drongo, the short-tailed drongo is still a skilled flyer and adept insect hunter. It often perches quietly before sallying out to catch flying insects with swift and precise movements. It may not mimic other birds as flamboyantly, but it does produce sharp, metallic calls that echo through the trees. This species is relatively understudied compared to its more widespread cousins, which adds to its mystery and appeal among birdwatchers and conservationists. Since it relies on forest habitats, deforestation and habitat degradation pose potential threats, making habitat preservation crucial for its continued survival.
Picture pa